Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was looking for a stylus pen for my son, and he's only 11, so I didn't want to pay the prices of a full Apple pen, but I found this and I am so happy I did. I want to tell you just some of the features that I really like about this stylus pen. First of all, you can see here it's very sleek and slender and it fits into your palm just right. It comes with several tips in case that one gets worn out, which we've had it for a while. We've been using it constantly and I haven't seen it wimp out on me yet, so I don't know when I'll have to use those extra tips, but maybe I will. I kept them just in case. So you can see here I'm typing with it. It comes out very clear. It's very easy to use. You can scroll up and down with it. You can type, you can draw. Everything that you can do with an Apple Pencil, you can do with this. Like I said, my son is only 11 and he's learning responsibility, but I wouldn't give him an Apple Pen just yet. I wanted to see how responsible he could be with it. And he seems very pleased with it, so that's great. He doodles with it. He's got some apps that he's learning to draw with it, so it's just checked all of the boxes for us. Another thing that we like about it is him and I have different years of iPads, but this stylus will hook up to any Apple device that is from 2018 to 2022. So that's really nice too. It's very easy to hook up. You don't need Bluetooth. You can just turn it on with a push and it's quick charge. You can charge it for 15 to 20 minutes and get 8 to 10 hours of playtime. So this stylus pen has done everything that we wanted it to do. It's durable, it's functional, and we love it. And that's just my point of view.